on neck. Respect my name, boy.
Oh, they guessing who it is.
Yeah.
They try to guess who it is.
I know it with these things.
Hey, I'm just waiting for that 500. Y'all keep sharing, man. Keep sharing and coming back in the room, man. When we get to 500. 10 more left. 10 more. 10 more viewers. 5 more viewers. Oh, we had 500. We had 500, y'all. We had 500. Y'all ready? Oh, it went back to 498. It went back to 496.
95.
497. Hey, I'm about to show you.
Oh, 5. We hit 5.
It's 5?
504.
Okay. 50. Speaking of 504. Speaking of 504. We back up. Y'all ready?
504. It's ready. Turn that thing.
I'm explaining these to you, right? So the time is
She's probably the little Latin girl.
She's probably that little Latin girl.
She's a Latin girl.
Sassy mommy.
Sissy mama, right.
Sassy mom. Sassy mom.
Also, you can see her hand.
Yeah, just the hand.
Oh! We need to put some. Niggas are screenshotting that one.
Yeah, we got the hand.
Got it.
We got the hand, bruh.
I see the side of the neck.
okay, so a square, yeah, a square is like it's like
These niggas saying a whole other thing.
it's like it's will always be there for you
You're-
to overcome the challenge. Use reflections.
Come on. Yeah.
That's pretty much what you got. You ain't got no oppositions. You ain't got no.
Oh, look at Mama Rob connecting. Killing
Yeah.
Connecting with the bonding and all that.
Bonding.
Square, sextile. Yeah, square, sextile, conjunction. You don't have to do this.
Dang, y'all mean.
These are my niggas, bro. This is where we get it in. This is where we get it popping. So, how you doing? You want to introduce yourself, Aaliyah? How you feeling?
Good.
How you doing?
Feeling good.
How's it feel to be home?
Feels great.
Feels great.
Y'all should come join. Stop hate.
So where you from? Where you from?
New Orleans, Louisiana. NOLA, baby.
Oh wait, hold up. You from where?
NOLA.
You from the NOLA? So you from the NOLA? Let me see. Okay. I really don't want to reveal too much about you yet. You know what I mean? Huh? From the NOLA?
Yeah.
What's your sign?
I'm an Aries.
Aries.
Aries moon.
Set it off.
Aries.
More air. More air.
She's like, she said, ooh, wait. I had to go back. I'm sorry. Go back to that shit. It tastes like you're drinking an orange, like an actual orange.
Yo, you be shouting her right up when you put on that nipple. Pop.
She be like, Mama Joy, does it hurt when you first started breastfeeding? Like,
At first she would like, she literally did it at first, and like she would just bite the nipple, and then I'd like just take it out.
so it don't hurt?
It doesn't hurt anymore because now she'll latch on more.
Why?
First she would only bite the nipple.
Why is that scary?
Now that part hurt. Yeah. Because then when you put it on, it instantly like,
Yeah, but now she opens her mouth wider.
Aries.
Oh, they mad, boy. You folk mad, bro. folk mad, bro. They mad, man. They mad. They keep talking about Nana, bro.
Sandy's Aries.
They keep talking about Nana, man. They keep talking about Velvet, man.
She said she definitely. Oh, shut your pie hole.
No, don't say that. Let them go. Let them go. Let them go. Let them get it on.
That's her cousin.
Oh, that's not
It's out
right.
the bag.
Don't say that.
Sarcastic.
They are horrible.
Let them go.
They said, hell, about to go live.
Let them go.
Oh, I'm thankful because she is beautiful.
What you feel about Nana? They talk about Nana. What you feel about her?
Oh, I feel Nana is a good person. Y'all need to stop doing that. Like, be nice.
What?
Like, I feel like she's a good person deep inside, but she still has things she needs to deal with, just like I do. Everybody do. So
Yeah.
it's life, you know.
Yeah.
If she wants to find her way back home, she'll find her way back home.
What you feel about her coming back?
I'll be happy if she come back. I would love to meet her.
That's
I
real.
would love to meet her.
That's real.
Everybody says,
I'm hungry. I don't know about you, but I'm hungry.
no, people, they just be
That Nacho should be coming first.
Yeah, they
Oh man, I don't know.
all that.
This is where I let all my haters they get to exercise. This is hell. This is where you exercise the demons. This is where I let them just say whatever they want. Don't peek over here, baby. Don't peek over you either. You don't want to be a part of it. I want to protect your self-conscious. Yeah, you know they keeping it real. Some people keeping it real. But you can't. Don't do that because this ain't. It's only for the strong.
Don't do that.
You don't want to.
It's
You
only for
can
the
read that.
strong.
Go ahead, take it. Talk to him. Don't you think you can handle it? Okay. You sure? You sure? Okay. You motherfuckers are trying to break your spirit, nigga. These niggas break your soul. They say so many hurtful things in the room. It's like these people like torture people. These are demons.
Yeah, he's a little nigga with the spirit.
Oh, I'm thankful.
Don't worry about it. What people say, good or bad, it don't matter what they say.
Yeah, because they say good woman and bad the next day.
Because as soon as you start to be supporting on what they think about you, they can control you. You see what I'm saying? If what they say matter to you, then they can control you. That means that the same thing that make you happy by them, they could turn and then crush you. Because you gain that power. No ma'am, you will not. Nigga, I made my own mind up. You don't need to confirm me, nigga. I know what the fuck I am. See, but then you don't give them no power. And even if they say something good, it don't affect you like that. If they say something bad, it don't affect you like that.
It's like
At the end of the day, yeah, we don't give a damn what you talking about.
Right.
It don't matter what you got to say.
It's just like once a negative person come in your life and say anything to you negative, they get you.
Yeah.
But then if they say something positive, they get you as well. But then it's like that negative energy. Ooh,
Yeah, but see, like if you can't let none of it.
boiling water.
I utilize it. I utilize everything people say. You know what I'm saying? Like I utilize it. I really don't give a fuck. Honestly, I'm gonna be real with you. I never gave a fuck what other people think. I'm a leader. And within my own self, I'm very confident. I know what the fuck I'm talking about. That's why I can teach you what I teach you. And that's why people follow me, because I in my own mind, I already accepted who I am. So it don't really matter if you like me or you don't like me. If you like me, okay, cool. It don't matter. You could tell me, oh, you beautiful, I love you, oh, chief, da-da-da-da. I take it with the same grain of salt. I take it with when a motherfucker say, I hate you, ain't shit, nigga. I'm pissing, spitting your face. I be like, I don't like you, you fake, you phony. Same shit, bro. Like, look, they ain't got nothing to do with me. I got everything to do with you. I really don't care about what you got to say about me, bro. I'm be honest with you, because if I did, I'd be out here fucked up. But what I do is I utilize some of it for content. I utilize it for content. Yeah, I utilize it for content. I don't like a big following. You said I gave a fuck about what Young Pharaoh said? Oh yeah, when Young Pharaoh came through, he had a whole bunch of demons and it was time to fight. This was war. Young Pharaoh was a time for me to show and prove who I was. You feel what I'm saying? And let the black community know who I was. You know what I'm saying? I had to Had to check niggas off the break and let niggas know, like, you ain't fucking with no lightweight. Young Pharaoh stalking me for a reason. Feel me? I cared about what Young Pharaoh said. Nah, I use Young Pharaoh. Nobody fucks with no Young Pharaoh no more now. After what Young Pharaoh did to me, nobody fucks with him no more. Do you still fuck with Young Pharaoh? No. Do you even follow this nigga? What is he doing? Nothing. He dead. Nigga, I killed this nigga. Fuck out of here. You thought he was smoking your shit, but where Young Pharaoh at now? Where he at now? Do you even know about Young Pharaoh now? He's not even relevant no more. What is he doing that's relevant? Nothing. You watching me, nigga. You ain't watching him. You gotta be real. You gotta be real. You watching? You know what I'm saying? He's watching me. Don't. It's a saying that say don't hate the nigga that. No, hate the people. No, don't hate the nigga that they talking about. You should love the nigga they talking about.
Yeah.
Hate. You know what I'm saying? Hate the motherfuckers that's talking about them. Yeah. Cause the motherfucker that they talking about be the real nigga. That be the real nigga. You feel me? If you gotta ask yourself, why was Young Pharaoh so adamant about exposing me? Nobody do nothing for nothing, right? It had to be some kind of agenda to it. It had to be some kind of selfish agenda to it. Because he wasn't really, you know what I mean? It wasn't. Why was he so adamant about exposing me? Who is this nigga NatureBoy? That's what all y'all was saying, like, who the fuck is this? Right?
And then he knew.
He exposed himself. Because it's like, why is he so irrelevant? Why are we talking about this nigga? It don't matter if you don't like me. It don't matter if you don't like me. They love to bring Nana out, yo. They love to bring Nana out. They think that's my weak spot.
Yeah.
They think Nana my weak spot. They don't know me. they don't know me. My demons is like, my lower self is like, they think and once they find your weak spot, they hone in on it. Because your lower self is always gonna be able to find your weak spot. Like, hey, whatever your weak spot is, they're gonna try to find that shit. You know what I'm saying? And they're gonna hone in on it, they're gonna keep doing it. But as long as they know they can get you, they're gonna keep cutting. But I used it. You feel what I'm saying? Like, at the end of the day, you know what I'm saying? Because I know they know I care about her. So they're gonna keep saying this shit just to get a reaction. You know what I'm saying? They wanna say more. They wanna gut punch you, say the most mean shit they can to you.
That's fair.
You see what I'm saying? Just to get it. It's the internet. This is the internet. This is virtual psychological mind game shit. This is a virtual psychological mind game, my nigga. This is the internet. This is not real life. People don't do what they're doing right here.